Welcome to Amazing Century. Today we're taking you into the world of the largest bulldozer ever built, the Komatsu D575A-3 Super Dozer. This colossal machine is an engineering masterpiece designed to conquer the toughest terrains and reshape the earth like never before. Get ready to be amazed by its sheer power and jaw-dropping capabilities. The Komatsu D575A-3 Super Dozer is more than just a machine. It's a testament to human engineering designed to take on the world's toughest jobs. With an operating weight of 153 tons and a height nearly as tall as a two-story building, this behemoth dominates any terrain it faces. Its massive 12-cylinder Komatsu SA-12V170E engine churns out an astounding 1,150 horsepower, allowing the bulldozer to power through the most challenging earth-moving tasks. Whether it's mining, large-scale land reclamation, or clearing massive amounts of overburden, the D575A-3 is in a league of its own. Its enormous U-shaped blade, capable of moving up to 90 cubic yards of material in one pass, is specifically designed for efficiency. This means fewer passes, less time, and unparalleled productivity for large-scale projects. Komatsu's signature elevated sprocket design ensures that the machine maintains durability and traction, even under the harshest conditions. Advanced hydraulic systems allow for precision control of the massive blade, giving operators the ability to execute detailed grading and shaping tasks despite the machine's colossal size. Inside the operator's cabin, comfort meets functionality. The cab is equipped with air conditioning, ergonomic seating, and state-of-the-art monitoring systems that provide real-time updates on performance and safety. Even in extreme heat or cold, operators can rely on this bulldozer to maintain a comfortable working environment. The controls are intuitive, allowing even the most demanding jobs to feel manageable. Transporting this giant machine is no small feat. Due to its sheer size, the D575A-3 often needs to be disassembled into smaller parts for relocation. This logistical challenge, however, is a small price to pay for the machine's unparalleled capabilities. Its massive size and exceptional power make it an expensive investment. But for mining companies and contractors handling colossal projects, it's a machine that pays for itself through unmatched efficiency and reliability. The Komatsu D575A-3 Super Dozer is not just a tool, it's a marvel that has redefined the possibilities in earth moving and construction. As one of the rarest machines in the world, it continues to capture the imagination of engineers and machinery enthusiasts alike. With its ability to reshape entire landscapes and conquer the toughest terrains, the D575A-3 is a true legend in the world of heavy machinery. Thank you for watching Amazing Century, the Komatsu D575A-3 Super Dozer truly pushes the limits of what machines can achieve. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible content. See you in the next video.